Hey guys, we got a 2003 Chevy Blazer. 2003 Chevy Blazer. I believe 2003 to 09. It's the same. I'm not exactly sure, but it is 03 we're working on right now. First of all, you're gonna have to take the 7mm. Take all this out right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And then once you got that off, you gotta go underneath right here. You gotta take this one out, 1, and then this one right here, 2, then 3, because some of this don't have a screw on there, and then 4 right here, and 5 right there. Once you get all that out, we're gonna hook up an amp also in this car. So we just showing you the well, actually we probably can do all hooking up the radio and an amplifier at the same time. So now once you get all that screw off, the 7mm out, just pull it out like this. Put your hand right here and pull it out. It'll come out like that. My hand down there, pull it out. Same as this side right there. You got a brake release thing down there. You can take that out. I usually don't want to do all that. That's a lot of work because you got to go underneath behind there. Once you take all the 7mm out, there's also another one on the top behind the steering wheel. Take that one out, and then this is ready to pull. You're gonna have to pull right here, right there, one right here, and then you're gonna pull a little bit right there, shake it a little bit so it come out. Now the last thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna put the key in there, turn the on position, step on the brakes. It's all cluttered up right there, so move that piece. Pull that, step on the brake and pull this down. Try this hook up right this, and then pull the 2 wire out, and then it come out. And also the blue one right here, I think there's a clip, you just push it. I'm gonna try to take this one out first. It might be easier just to pull this piece out like this, and then push this in and pull it right out. It don't go to anything, it's just empty. I don't know why they leave it right there. I'm gonna put a switch. The customer asked me if I could put a switch right here, so I'm gonna put a switch right here because there's nothing right there. I'm gonna put a switch for on and off switch. But now you still have to take this 4-wheel drive plug out. Okay, the better way to do it is to push it out from the back right here, and it should be out like this. Make it a lot easier to do. And you see, you can twist it, and you can see this blue wire right there. Take a flathead and push this in there, and then you pull it straight out. Right there, you can see. Take a flathead and poke it in this part right there, and then now you don't have to take this wire out. You can leave it right there, because what we're gonna do, what we're doing right there, we just trying to take this radio out. You don't have to take everything out. So we're gonna take 7mm out right here. Got one hand, that's why everything's dropping everywhere. Now I have to find where the screws at. But you pull it out and unplug the wire right there. You got an antenna, and then this blue wire right here, this clip right here. Antenna, I can use one hand and just pull it out like that. It's gonna drop. And then now all you have to do is push this right there and then pull it straight out. When you push this clip right here, this is open up right there, that gray kind of right here, that gray. When you push a gray clip at the end, it's gonna pull up, and then you can just pull it straight out with two hands, not with one. Right here, the customer already bought the harness from I guess eBay or Amazon. I guess this is more of an Amazon product. It's BP-20 GM03. It fit from 98 to 06 Chevy. So I plugged it in right here. Now I'm gonna test to see if everything is working, just to making sure with a test light with this model, because some of them's got a built-in amplifier. This one I don't think it's got a built-in amplifier. So I use a 9-volt batteries. I'm gonna put on here, one of them here, right here. I'm gonna tap them. If you can hear the noise, that means it doesn't have a built-in amplifier. And if it does, you have to hook up a remote wire up, the blue and white wire to the remote. But I don't think this one have it. So I'm gonna hook up the gray wire, which is the right side, and see if it's making any noise. I'm gonna tap it. You don't wanna hold it, you wanna tap it so you don't burn the speaker up. So it works. That means it does not have a built-in amplifier. And then I'm gonna test the power, the constant wire, see if it's all good. It should be, because the radio was working, the original radio. See, lit up. That means it's good. An accessory, put it right there. It doesn't work yet until you turn the key on. So I'm gonna turn the key on. Key is on. It works. So basically, I love saying that word. So all accessory, everything works. All you have to do is plug into the radio, whatever radio the customer wants. Match all the color right here, and it should work. And the customer also need an antenna right there. It's a GM10. It's an antenna. I'll post that on the bottom of this video. Alright, we got the mounting kit, everything put in. Uh-oh. We got it backward. Yeah, this piece is supposed to be yeah, it's upside down. Anyway, the plugs already hooked up right here. We're gonna change this radio. We got it upside down. The plugs is already in. All you do is matching all the color, the red, the black, the yellow, the white, the stripe, everything. I ran it separately right here like this because the customer asking for a switch right here because he got kit for his subwoofer. So I'm gonna do that, and the plug just plug right in, and he's got the antenna adapter. It's the antenna adapter for this this truck.